Hello, are we connected? I don't know if we are. I don't know what I've been told. Donkey peen is mighty cold. Ee-haw, ee-haw. Oh, we're back? Oh, good. All right. Well, let's start tractoring, shall we? La 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 la, my oh my! King Julian! I said King Julian! Interesting angle, this one. This is the peen angle. Cock. Chuck your chucker in reverse, Terry. Hey, Terry. Chucker in reverse, Terry. All right, Cletus. Put her back into your rev. Put her back in that way direction. All right, this is Big Bass. Big Bass done a good bit of work today. Look at it, you guys. Does that not look good? We started the stream up here somewhere, up here. I think actually in here a little bit, but guys, good work today. High five. Slap, 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 slap. Yeah, good work. Good work, team.